Hi, this is Greg Kihlström. Marketing operations has quietly, at least for some, become one of the biggest competitive advantages a company can have. And also, let's be honest, one of the biggest magnets for can you just do this thing requests that land in someone's queue at 4:57 p.m. on a Friday. That's why I created Marketing Operations in the Age of Agentic AI, a workshop for marketing ops, MarTech, and marketing leaders who want to move beyond traditional automation and start building an operation that can actually think through work, not just route it. In this session, we go past AI that generates stuff and get into the brain of your marketing stack. Autonomous agents that can perceive data, reason through logic, and take action across multi step workflows with the right guardrails in place. We'll map the operational bottlenecks that slow teams down, things like intelligent lead scoring, data hygiene, dynamic personalization, and real time campaign optimization, and then design an agent driven approach to modernize them. The goal isn't chaos, it's a blueprint for a more self driving marketing infrastructure that scales impact without scaling headcount. You'll learn a practical agentic framework built around the perception, reasoning, action loop, how to architect an AI workforce for your stack, and what agent capable platforms are emerging and how they can connect to your CRM and marketing automation platforms and others, and how to implement governance and human in the loop approvals so your brand and data stay connected. This workshop is ideal for marketing ops leaders, CMOs, and VPs building the next wave of transformation, demand gen leaders automating complex journeys, and MarTech admins responsible for integration and ROI. If you want your marketing ops team to spend less time pushing buttons and more time orchestrating systems, let's talk about bringing this workshop to your organization, either virtually or in person. Reach out and contact for more details.